She really doesn't care who's looking. Oh, you made a noise.
Get it, Izzy. Get it, Izzy. Get it, Izzy.
You can get it. Get it off of there.
Pop, pop.
She needs to like stare at it for a while.
I know, and then she just randomly bounces on it. Bounces, pounces. Think. Psycho cat.
She is a psycho. Why did we don't? Oh, she got it.
Oh, she got it!
That's freaking awesome.
I got it.
Dawn, come here.
Oh, can't reach it, kitty.
Dawn, come here. She got the button off the refrigerator. Come here. Come see what she did.
Get it, Izzy.
She got the button off the refrigerator right there.
You idiot, cat.
It's like under there. She's trying to get it.
I'm trying to get it.
She's like, my head is too big.
Well, if you wouldn't have knocked it under there in the first place.
So she's gonna do it again, watch.
It's not even there anymore. Really?
But there's a hole there now.
I know. Well, she's gonna do this for like an hour or two.
Get it, Izzy.
She's a weirdo.
Crazy cat.
I'm pretty sure that's not going to come off. You might have a little bit of trouble with that. Just a hole. Get it.
Get the hole, Izzy.
Okay, he's in the bedroom talking to his grandfather. That's why he didn't come.
Okay, I think she's kind of done, except for trying to get it out from under the fridge.
Okay, watch.
She's like, whoa, man.
Can't be too far under there. Oh, yeah, it is. It's lost.
I can't find it.